Number 1. 1988 Oldsmobile Cutlass Sierra, $2,800, Warrenton, Oregon. This 1988 Oldsmobile Cutlass Sierra is a clean and affordable late 80s American sedan, powered by a 6-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. It shows 77,000 miles and remains in excellent overall condition. The gray exterior presents nicely, and the clean title adds confidence for buyers. This Cutlass Sierra is a practical and dependable classic daily driver that reflects Oldsmobile's focus on comfort and reliability. Number 2. 1978 Ford Thunderbird, $4,500, Show Low, Arizona. This 1978 Ford Thunderbird is a full-size personal luxury coupe offered in Show Low, Arizona. It is powered by a modified 351 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. The car runs well and retains its original yellow paint and interior. While cosmetic work is needed, the body is rust-free and mechanically sound, making it a solid driver or light restoration candidate. Number 3. 1979 Toyota Corona Wagon, $3,500, Dallas, Texas. This 1979 Toyota Corona Wagon is a rare example of vintage Japanese reliability. Powered by the original 20R 4-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission, it runs well and shows no rust. The interior is well preserved, while the exterior displays normal age-related wear. With new tires and additional parts included, this Corona Wagon offers originality and growing collector appeal. Number 4. 1973 Volkswagen KARMANN GHIA convertible, $5,000, Allyn, Washington. This 1973 Volkswagen KARMANN GHIA convertible is listed in Allyn, Washington. It is equipped with a 1,600 cubic centimeter engine that needs rebuilding, a 4-speed manual transmission, and rear-wheel drive. The interior has been restored, and the car has been converted to a full-time convertible. Although it lacks a clean title and needs electrical work, it remains a charming and appealing hobby classic. Number 5. 1984 Cadillac El Dorado convertible, $9,500, Surprise, Arizona. This 1984 Cadillac El Dorado convertible offers classic open-top luxury. Powered by a 4.1-liter 8-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission, it runs and drives excellent. The white exterior presents well, and the air conditioning blows ice cold. With a clean title and strong overall condition, this El Dorado delivers smooth cruising and traditional Cadillac comfort. Number 6. 1965 Dodge Polara, $10,000, Winlock, Washington. This 1965 Dodge Polara is a solid 60s full-size classic, powered by a 383 cubic inch big block 8-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. It runs well and remains structurally sound, though minor items such as trim pieces and a non-working gas gauge need attention. With a clean title and good interior, this Polara is a strong driver quality classic. Number 7. 1966 Chevrolet Impala, $7,500, Pahrump, Nevada. This 1966 Chevrolet Impala is best suited as a restoration project. It features a rebuilt 327 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission. The body is mostly straight, with minor damage and light rust present. The car does not currently run properly and will need to be transported, but it offers excellent long-term restoration potential. Number 8. 1965 Oldsmobile Cutlass Coupe, $16,000, Portland, Oregon. This 1965 Oldsmobile Cutlass Coupe is presented in near like new condition. It is powered by a numbers-matching, rebuilt 330 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. Features include power steering, front disc brakes, and aftermarket air conditioning. Despite the lean title status, this Cutlass remains a high-quality and highly desirable classic. Number 9. 1963 Ford Ranchero, $19,630, Woodland Hills, California. This 1963 Ford Ranchero is a standout collector example. Powered by a freshly rebuilt 302 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine with multiple upgrades and a rebuilt automatic transmission, it retains nearly all original Ford components. The vehicle presents in excellent condition and comes with a clean title, making it a strong and desirable classic. Number 10. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro, $20,000, Argyle, Texas. This 1968 Chevrolet Camaro delivers classic muscle car appeal. It is powered by a small block 350 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. The car runs well following recent maintenance and includes both original and aftermarket wheels along with additional parts. This Camaro offers strong performance and lasting collector value. Number 11. 1965 Oldsmobile Cutlass F85 Holiday Coupe, $6,000, Duncanville, Texas. This 1965 Oldsmobile Cutlass F85 Holiday Coupe is an ideal restoration project. Powered by a 305 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission, it shows 66,000 miles, but has not been driven in over 7 years. The car includes numerous new parts and replacement panels for rust repair, making it a solid candidate with strong restoration potential.